Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove quickly any object or a person from an image in Photoshop. So firstly open up Photoshop, then open the image that you want to edit by just going on file, then open, then choose the file where you have saved. Choose the file, then just simply press open, and now let's remove this individual from here. So for doing that, just simply select the lasso tool over here, or you can press L on your keyboard. Then make a proper selection of the individual. So after you have selected the individual, what you have to do is just simply select Shift plus F5 and make sure that it is on the content aware fill. If it is not, just simply click on the drop box and select content aware. Then just simply press OK and the magic is done. And to remove the selection, just simply press Ctrl plus D, and there you have it. The individual has been removed from the picture. So that's it, and thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.